Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for honest and in-depth beauty reviews. Today, let's dive into a product that's making waves in the world of luxury lipsticks, the Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in Je Rêve. If you're someone who loves a matte lip but can't stand that dry, uncomfortable feel, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. Let's break it down. This lipstick is a stunning cranberry hue crafted by Westman Atelier, a brand known for its clean, high-performance beauty products. The formula promises a comfortable, balm-like feel that lasts, delivering a rich matte finish without that dreaded dryness or flaking. Now, matte lipsticks often get a bad rap for leaving lips feeling parched, but this one claims to be different. Does it live up to that promise? Let's find out. The formula itself is key to its unique feel. With a blend of nourishing ingredients, this lipstick gives your lips a fuller, smoother, and more defined look. It stays put throughout the day, even after sipping coffee or enjoying lunch, without the need for constant touch-ups. That's a major plus in the world of matte lipsticks, where many can fade unevenly or crack as the day goes on. But does it hold up in real life? When I first applied the Je Rêve shade, I was impressed by how smoothly it went on. Unlike some matte formulas that can tug or skip, this one glided over my lips like a balm, instantly hydrating them. The color payoff was immediate, and the cranberry tone is rich yet wearable. It's not too bold, but it's enough to make a statement without feeling over the top. The matte finish was flawless, with no visible dryness or flaking, even after several hours of wear. Now, as for real-world usage, how did it perform throughout the day? I tested this lipstick in a variety of conditions, from a morning coffee run to a busy afternoon at work. Throughout all of it, the lipstick stayed intact, maintaining its color and finish. There was no uncomfortable tightness or dryness, which I often experience with matte formulas, and it didn't bleed outside my lip lines either. However, the product isn't without its small caveats. One thing to note is that while the formula stays put, it's not entirely transfer-proof. After eating or drinking, I noticed some minimal transfer onto cups or napkins. While this is common for many lipsticks, especially with more hydrating formulas, it's worth mentioning for anyone seeking absolute no transfer wear. Another minor downside is the price. Westman Atelier is a luxury brand, and this lipstick is priced higher than your typical drugstore options. For some, it might feel like a splurge, especially considering there are other matte lipsticks that offer similar performance for a fraction of the price. In terms of build quality, Westman Atelier has delivered with sleek, high-end packaging that feels substantial and luxurious. The slim lipstick bullet allows for precise application, which is important when you're working with bold matte shades. It's clear the brand is dedicated to both performance and aesthetics. Now, if you're thinking, is this product worth it? Here's the breakdown. If you're someone who values comfort and longevity in your matte lipsticks and doesn't mind splurging on luxury beauty, this lipstick is absolutely worth considering. The nourishing, comfortable feel combined with the beautiful, long-lasting color makes it stand out in the crowded matte lipstick market. If you're on a tighter budget, there are some excellent alternatives out there, like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink or NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which give great performance at a more affordable price point. So, what's the final verdict? The Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in Je Rêve delivers on its promises of comfort, longevity, and rich pigment. It's perfect for those who love a matte lip but want to avoid the typical dryness that comes with it. It's definitely a luxury product, but if you're willing to invest, you're getting a top-tier formula. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our honest reviews. Your support helps us continue delivering reviews you can trust. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.